are going to love the 2020
Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel drive. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.